Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to do a new assignment. The name of this assignment is MOS22 XL Project1 Courses. I am a professional. If you want me to do this assignment or do this complete course for you, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp, Gmail, Instagram ID, which is given below in the description. I am a professional. I can do my MyITLab courses, Syndicate courses, and Simnet courses for you, like Microsoft Excel, Access, PowerPoint, Word, Math, Stat, Business Math, Accounting, Finance, Writing, Technical Programming. If you want any assistance related to these courses, you can contact me on my WhatsApp, Gmail, or Instagram ID, which is given below in the description. So let's start the assignment. So first of all, we will open the Excel file which we have downloaded with the instruction file. And enable editing. So in second step, it says on the courses worksheet, import the downloaded text file, load the data to the existing. So data, get data from text SUV. Destination is this. Here text import load the data to the existing worksheet in cell A5. Load to existing in cell A5. Okay. So we will convert the table to a normal range. So we will convert it into normal range. Okay. So it is converted, and then delete row 5 and 75. So we will delete row 5 and 75. Row 5 and 75. We will delete these both rows 5 and 75. So we have to delete this. So in the right header, insert sheet name. So we will go to page layouts. From here we will go here. So in the right header, in the right header we will insert sheet name, and in the right footer we will insert page number. Okay. Create a new workbook using expensive report template with orange formatting. New workbook using expensive report worksheet to the format. Okay, create a new workbook. So we will go to here, new, using expensive report template with orange formatting. Template, let's see, expensive report, orange formatting with no, file, new, expensive report with orange template. Orange formatting, colors, orange formatting. Okay, move the expensive report worksheet to the open this file. Move or copy to this, move to end. Okay, and sheet tab after courses sheet, sheet tab after courses sheet. So So let's move to step number 5. And step number 5, it says on the expensive. I'm a professional. If you want me to do this assignment or do this complete course for you, then you can contact me on WhatsApp, Gmail, Instagram ID, which is given below in the description. So in the 5th step, it says on the expensive report worksheet in the normal view. In the normal view, create a hyperlink to the text this through web. So we will create a hyperlink to the text expensive row hyperlink website visiting our pages browsed address this. Okay, create a copy of the expensive report sheet. Create a copy sheet. Rename the expensive report sheet as expensive. Hide this. We will hide this. We will rename it expensive. Remove the hyperlink in the expenses sheet. We will remove hyperlink. Change the theme of the workbook to integral. So we will change its theme to integral. Create a copy of the courses worksheet and move it to and create a copy, move it to and move rename the tab to formulas change the tab color to turquoise accent. Change tab color. On the formulas worksheet, turn on show formulas. Turn on show formulas. Change the magnification of the formulas to 90. So 90. On the formulas worksheet, set the scaling to page 1. Page 1. And configure only the ranges this to this to print. So we will select these, then print area, set print area. I'm a professional. If you want me to do this assignment or do this complete course for you, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp, Gmail, Instagram ID, which is given below in the description. Thank you. I hope you liked the video. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. See you in next video. Hello everyone. As you can see, I have done this complete course for one of my students of my lab IT lab, and he got amazing marks in this course. If you want to obtain these marks, then or you want me to do this complete course or assignments for you, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp, Gmail, Instagram ID which is given below in the description. I do MyITLab courses, Cynegage courses and Simnet courses. If you want me to do these courses for you, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp, Gmail, Instagram ID which is given below in the description. Thank you.